Most people think sleep is just about how many hours you get. But the truth is, it's not just about sleeping longer. It's about sleeping deeper. Deep sleep is the stage where your body repairs itself, your brain clears out toxins, your muscles recover, and your energy gets restored. If you wake up tired and after 7 to 8 hours, chances are you're not getting enough deep sleep. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most effective and practical ways to increase your deep sleep and wake up feeling fresh, focused, and ready to win the day. First, let's understand something important. Deep sleep happens mostly in the first half of the night. That means when you go to the bed matters a lot. If you sleep at 2 a.m. and wake up at 10 a.m., you might still feel worse than someone who sleeps at 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Your body runs on a natural clock, circadian rhythm, and it responds to light and darkness. The simplest way to improve deep sleep is to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, consistency trains your brain to enter deep sleep fast and stay there for a long period of time. Next, let's talk about the light exposure. Morning sunlight is one of the most important tools to fix your sleep. When you step outside within 15 to 30 minutes after waking up, sunlight tells your brain that the day has started. This resets your internal clock and helps your body release melatonin at the right time at night. On the other hand, bright screens at night confuse your brain. Blue light from the phones and laptops delay melatonin production. So at least 1 hour before bed, reduce screen time. Dim the lights and switch to warm lighting. Your brain needs darkness to prepare for deep sleep. Now let's talk about temperature. Your body naturally cools down before entering deep sleep. If your room is too warm, your sleep quality drops. The ideal bedroom temperature is slightly cool, around 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. You can also take a warm shower 16 to 90 minutes before the bed. That might sound strange, but the warm water rises your body temperature, and when you step out, your body cools down quickly, helping you fall asleep faster and enter the deep sleep. Another huge factor is caffeine. Caffeine blocks a chemical in your brain called adenosine, which builds up during the day and makes you sleepy. The problem is caffeine stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours, sometimes even longer. If you drink coffee at 4 p.m., try to sleep at 10 p.m., your brain might still be stimulated. To protect your deep sleep, avoid caffeine at least 8 hours before bedtime. If possible, switch to herbal tea in the evening. Exercise also plays a powerful role. Regular physical activities increase deep sleep, especially strength training and moderate cardio. But timing matters. Intense workout right before bed can raise your heart rate and body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. The best time to exercise is earlier in the day or at least 3 hours before the bed. Even a simple 30 minutes walk daily can significantly improve the sleeping quality. Let's talk about stress. Your brain cannot enter deep sleep if it feels threatened or anxious. High cortisol levels at night reduce deep sleep. That's why having wind-down routine is important. You don't need anything complicated. Just 10 to 20 minutes of calm activities before bed. Reading, journals, stretching, breathing exercises can signal safety to your nervous system. One simple breathing technique is inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 6 seconds. This activates your relaxation response. Food timing also affects deep sleep. Eating heavy meals right before bed forces your body to focus on digestion instead of recovery. Try to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Also avoid high sugar snacks at night. Blood sugar spikes can wake you up during the night and reduce deep sleep cycle. Another underrated tip is making your bedroom a sleep-only zone. If you work, scroll, eat, and watch movies in bed, that the bed equals rest. Keep your bed dark, cool, and quiet. If needed, use blackout curtains or a white noise machine. And finally, don't obsess over sleep. Ironically, worrying about getting enough deep sleep can reduce it. If you can't fall asleep within 20 minutes, don't panic. Get up, do something relaxing in dim light, and return to bed when sleepy. Trust your body. Sleep improves when you remove pressure, not when you force it. So if you want to increase your deep sleep and wake up fresh, focus on these core principles. Consistent sleep schedule, morning sunlight, reduce screen time at night, cooler room temperature, smart caffeine timing, regular exercise, stress management, better food timing, and a proper sleep environment. You don't need expensive gadgets or complicated routines. Small daily habits create powerful long-term results. Start with just 2 to 3 of these habits this week, improve step by step, and soon you will notice something powerful. You will wake up before your alarm, feeling clear, calm, and energized. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe our official channel Beyond the Castle for daily videos like this.